Sustainability and water conservation are becoming a key focus here in Australia. And in a bid to preserve this precious resource, many Australian residents, particularly those in newer areas, now have access to recycled water. If recycled water is available from your local water authority, then it'll be connected via separate plumbing from your mains water. And as per Australian standards, the recycled water taps and pipes will be a lilac colour. Although recycled water isn't suitable for drinking or bathing, it's perfect for watering lawns and garden beds, including fruit trees and veggies. Nylex has introduced a range of watering accessories in lilac for you to use on your recycled water outlets and adhere to the safety standards. You can help stop family members and visitors becoming confused about which water is safe for drinking or outdoor water play by using these lilac accessories on all of your recycled water taps. Fit your recycled water tap with a lilac hose like this one, and then from here there's a whole range of accessories to suit your garden needs. Attach a jet gun nozzle for easy garden watering and car washing, or choose from a range of sprinklers to easily water your lawn and garden. Or for an even more hands-off watering approach, add a 2-hour mechanical timer and connect a lilac soaker hose. There's also a range of connectors and adapters in the lilac colour too. So if you can, make the switch to recycled water. Not only will you save on your water bill, you'll also be helping to conserve the environment by saving water.